So, world's quickest review of the new Flymount Aero. Which fits onto wings and onto kites. I never put it on the centre strap, but I had it on both. I'm going to put in some footage, obviously. Hopefully I've got some good footage. It fits so tight, and I'm not even a very good winger, but it didn't. I didn't really notice it added any weight at all. You're wrestling more with the wing. I mean, it's quite windy today, 20 knots on a 4.5, but I loved it. It was such a. I didn't really notice it, you know, on the wing at all. Where I put it was on the kink. I put it there, not there. I put it there, so it had something to sort of lean against, and then you sort of angled the camera in slightly to be in line with the handles. And hopefully I got some good footage. I'm super loving it. It's super lightweight, this, and you can like stand it on things. And, you could just put it flat on the floor as well. I haven't even bothered tethering it. I've just got the floating on, so if it did come off, then yeah, I would just see it and be able to grab it. But I got a bit smashed out there, and I didn't lose it, so that's good.